Model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer 335 Pro L2H2 Blue HD body, silver, panel van mileage, 92,011 MOT, 29 November 2023 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has been recently replaced, looks like an issue with camshafts needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.